Is a Fox 56 breaking weather alert with Chief Meteorologist Debicki.
Causing severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, and confirmed tornadoes out over eastern Texas. Tracking this as it moves from Lackawanna County now. What can I say? Things can't stay warm forever, folks. It's winter in northeast and central Pennsylvania, but that's okay. We're here for it. Some of us clocking in near 30. Stroudsburg, that's you right there with that fast-paced wind. The bitter cold has to go.
Absolutely.
That's all I'm going to say.
That's all we need to hear.
Colder air is going to be pushing into the surface, lifting the warm air that we've been experiencing a little bit further into the atmosphere. This is my redemption tour, you know, I'm just coming back stronger than ever.
That's all. I mean, as soon as you put it up there, like, that's exactly where my eye went to.
Miniature schnauzer, but I mean, it's hard to tell because it looks like he's a frog too, guys. And together we embody women supporting other women, never tearing down and only building up our counterparts. You can see intensity has picked up a little bit outside of our station in Plains, and we're also dealing with a little blowing and drifting snow as winds gust a bit from time to time.
This is absolutely spectacular. I mean, just look at this.
I'll be the first to admit it, when winter rolls around, I notice a significant impact in my mood. But what it comes down to is the severity of that feeling. Hey there, everybody, and welcome back. Wanted to give you a little roadmap as to what we're expecting over the next few days. The cold front we were tracking earlier today has moved east, and that means we're looking at a cooler and dry day for Friday. Of course, we will be tracking another cold front heading into the upcoming weekend. That'll bring us a few scattered showers and thunderstorms through the second half of our Saturday, and it will also reinforce that cool air for your Easter Sunday. Highs there only projected to rise into the 50s after we're waking up in the 30s come Sunday. I want to show you that front here. It didn't amount to much locally for us. There was a lot more severe activity in southern New Jersey to our east. We did get a few lingering light showers though through the evening hours, and those have come to a close as well. Only looking at some light rain now just to the south of Carbon, Monroe County as well, and just over the eastern portion of Pike County tonight. All of this moves out and skies should clear this evening. That'll allow temperatures to fall pretty rapidly, but having just a little bit of rain, folks, earlier this evening, just as the sun was setting, allowed for rainbows to happen in Pennsylvania. Check this one out, first sent to us by Bill Lewis, our very own photographer here. He did a full video so you can see the whole rainbow. And then we had another photo sent in by my husband, Kamal. This was another one he sent in to us. This almost had a double rainbow here, but I can't really see the full arc. A gorgeous evening. We also saw some really nice sunsets as well. But while all of this was happening, temperatures were dropping pretty rapidly. We had those temperatures rise into the early afternoon into the 70s. Once it came down to after that front moved through, temperatures dropped really quickly, and now we're in the 40s and the 50s currently tonight. This is about 15 to 20 degrees cooler than where we were here this evening over the last 24 hours. So big temperature change there. Looking at Friday, we will be waking up in the 40s, but as the day goes on with the help of sunshine, I think we'll still rise to the mid and upper 60s for highs tomorrow, and that's still above average. There will be some winds out there, folks, though, so be prepared for that. Sustained anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour, but our gust speeds could be in the mid-20s to 30s as we head through the day. So it's just something to be mindful of. Otherwise, it's sunshine until clouds move in late day. Looking ahead to the weekend, like we said, we are tracking a cold front that could bring some shower and storm activity through the afternoon and early evening. So be aware, have your radar app handy so we can talk more about that as we head into the upcoming weekend forecast. But it looks like we dry out for Easter. It's just not going to be as warm. Highs there only rise to near 53 through the afternoon. So if you're getting ready for the Easter bunny, doing any egg hunts, make sure you just have the long sleeves on, Juliana. Temperatures like that, not too bad for this time of year, but it is a shock coming off of the 70s we've seen this week.
Yeah, long sleeves, maybe a light jacket, but hey, we had a rainbow today, we have sunshine and 68 tomorrow, and then, you know, there's a holiday this weekend, so not too bad.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with stuff like this. This is the good stuff. This is what spring's about, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. All right, Allie, thank you so much. Coming up the latest.
As a bride, I always get asked the same question. Did I pick out my wedding dress yet? Well, we are here at the Dress Lounge in Kingston, where I actually purchased my wedding gown, to talk about what goes into making that decision. Come on, let's go. Everybody, meet Jen, the owner of the Dress Lounge here in Kingston. One of the reasons, alongside her team, that I was able to find my dress so swiftly, coming up on their 5th anniversary as well. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks, Allie. Thanks for having us.
So if I'm looking to get my appointment, what would you recommend me do to prepare for it?
So you want to bring the people with you that have your same vision. So larger groups aren't always the best, but you really want to focus on the company that is going to help you find your dream dress, really have the same vision of your wedding as you do.
Is there any advice that you would give to a bride starting their search right now?
I wouldn't do multiple stores. Once you get out of 3, it starts to get confusing, and then you might lose focus on what you were actually looking for. So my recommendation would be don't shop too many stores, but make sure you shop enough to be solid on your decision.
Now, we found our dress. What is it like to witness that aha moment when a bride knows?
That's the best part of the job. Like yourself, super excited, can't wait to wear it. That's the best part, I would say.
Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for having us, Allie.
Now that my dress is squared away, let's go talk tux. And we're here at Tuxedo Junction to do just that. Kamal, you ready to try some things on?
Let's do it. Hi everyone, I want you to meet Mike, the owner of Tuxedo Junction. He's here to help me pick out a couple tuxedos to try on.
That's what's unique about Tuxedo Junction. You can stop in, try on whatever tux you pick out in the showroom. We have over 50 different styles in stock, ready to be tried on, so you can see what it looks like on you.
So Mike, what's important nowadays for guys when it comes to tuxes?
Basically the fit. Slim fit, regular fit, modern fit, whatever your preference is, just stop in, we'll help you make that decision.
So what do you see is happening more, renting a tux versus buying? And what are the perks of some of the options?
So lately, like, people do buy their suits. Tuxedo seems like people more rent than buy because a tuxedo is a lot more expensive and you're using it at one time. As far as suits are concerned, yes, a lot of people do buy their suits.
Well, Mike, I wanted to thank you for your time and appreciate you guiding us through all this.
Thanks for stopping in, man. I appreciate it.